Here is the photo I took of our iced matcha lattes. Of course, it's a lot of fun with the colors and the straws, but I really think a lot of the videos out there on YouTube and the website pages that promote products are all for click worthiness. If we were to do this again, and I probably will play again, I would make a paste rather than using so much water so that you can taste the matcha more. And so I would use a very little bit of water in a little bitty plastic container and make a paste, and then just put it in my froth milk and add ice because it just tasted a lot like milk.
Okay, we are set up to do some iced matcha lattes. And so we have our restaurant matcha, and we're going to use our scoop and put 1 scoop in the bowl. There's a scoop. But let's go ahead and do 2 scoops since we're doing 2 glasses. Ooh, that's a large scoop. Last week we determined our cups were the exact milliliter that we needed for 1 scoop, but they're so hot to pick up. So we tested it, and our little snack cups are the exact same size too, and they have handles. So we're going to dump 2 cups of the hot water in. And then we're gonna whisk it. So you need to do the W thing and make it frothy. Cardinal. There's the cardinal. And the squirrel. Slush it up. See the froth I got? Real fast. Woohoo! So we're going to use just a regular 2% milk because that's what we like to drink. And some people might want to use oat milk or almond milk. We use that sometimes. And now we've got this battery operated frother. Ooh! Froth that milk. Do the other one. Look at the difference between the 2 sizes. It's like in a circular thing. There, I think that works faster. See, look at the bubbles. Let's see if we got bubbles on that one. Ooh, look, the bubbles form. Wait, I haven't done anything to this one. And it's getting more bubbles. And so is this one after you take it out. That's kind of cool. So now we're going to put ice in our milk. We have actually never made this before. We're playing. Oh, there's a hummingbird. If I had my distance lens on. Oh, I guess that's good. Now we've got pure maple syrup to sweeten it. Now we've got to take the matcha all frothed up and put half of it in each cup. We did a funnel, make it easier. Oh, that is too fun. Okay, now we went and got some fun straws. An orange and a green one. How fun is that? Okay, I can't wait to try it. Which one you want, orange or green?
Green.
Okay, you ready? Let's sip. Tastes good. Don't really taste matcha. Tastes mostly like milk. I think, what do you think?
I think it's milk.
I think it tastes mostly
Flavored milk.
like milk. And I think all the people that make iced matcha and put it all over the web do it for the click value. Yeah, it's pretty. It looks fun, but it's just milk. Okay, we stirred them up. That makes a difference. Does taste a little bit more like mate. Like matcha latte. What do you think of now that we stirred it?
I think there's a vague hint of matcha.
Yeah, a backhand, and I think it's pretty. Makes for a pretty drink sitting at your table.
You know you want a pretty drink.